Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back in LA and it's not raining. What? It's kind of weird. It's always raining, but it is supposed to rain tomorrow and the next day and the next day after that. I was just wondering, do you guys like seeing videos with Cesar in them? We go out and we eat food and hang out with his big smile on his face. I think you do. So today I'm gonna meet up with Cesar. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I guess I'm just gonna record and find out. And then Craig, No Egg Craig, is gonna fly into town and we are going to Expo West. So he's never been to Expo West, so I'm gonna kind of show him around. That should be really fun. Hat or no hat? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Nobody ever sees you with hair down, so you're not gonna know who this is.
Oh, we're recording right here. What's up, everybody? We out here. You know we're about to eat, because that's what we do, spreading that veganism.
We're on our way to LA Vegan. You guys, the biggest criticism that we had from the last video I did was there was only music over it. We didn't talk about the food, and we didn't say what the food was. Well, that was because I wasn't with this guy. I was with somebody else that didn't want to be on camera.
About to describe it, eat it.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing now.
We're gonna bring the restaurant to you. To you.
All right, we made it. We're at LA Vegan.
LA Vegan, never been here before. I didn't even know this place on the map, but we're about to find out. Chris already knows, so. I heard we gotta get the pancakes, so guess what? We're getting a stack of those for sure.
I got the orange chicken last time. Somebody said I gotta get the yellow curry, but I had yellow curry last night, and I'm so craving the orange chicken. I mean, I can't do a. What? All right, let's go in.
You don't gotta be an LA Vegan to come to LA Vegan, but you can still eat everything vegan, if you know what I'm saying. How many times did I say vegan?
How many times did he say LA?
And then I'll get some fries too. Can I look at it? Thank you.
Something to drink?
Oh, Thai tea, please. It's balanced. You know, you saw me get the salad, and I had to get the fries as well. It's balanced. And the Thai tea to wash it all down. I remember when I met Chris, aka Vegan Zombie, I told him to go to Bright Star Thai Vegan, and I was like, order the fries. Make sure you order the fries. And it's like, what? But if you guys ever in the neighborhood, order the fries.
All right, our food is here. You guys probably want to see what we got.
Oh yeah.
I got the regular pancakes, no fruit in there. I was too poor.
So I got right here the tropical pancakes. Cue the syrup.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait, you don't got a syrup hand? Check this out. These are tropical pancakes, and I heard they're a must when you come in here. Make sure you get a little blueberry, a little banana in there. This video could be over right now and it'd be that good. These are, I gotta go, guys. Let's keep it moving on some other stuff, because these are too good. I got the fries.
The orange chicken I got last time, but this is the mango chicken.
You gotta get the fries whenever you see fries on the menu. Balance. Thai tea. Got that equal straw. Wash it all down. And here it is right here. Check out this protein salad. Edamame's on there. Avocado, tomatoes, that peanut sauce. Oh yeah, look at the little spoon. Get that nice little drizzle on there.
All right, we're gonna go eat now, so we'll see you guys later. So while you're at it, tell us what we're doing here. Cesar makes bracelets, as you guys know from the other videos.
So my friend, she said she needs some extra good vibes, some extra protection, so I hook her up right here with a garnet. You got these nice little bling garnets. That one's good for changing negative energy into positive energy. And then you also have, it's also good for the heart and blood. And then you also have the strawberry quartz, which is like a form of rose quartz, which is really good for the heart chakra, all that love energy. And I got a little lava stone, so you know she likes the oil, so so she can put a little bit of lavender or whatever. And I'm gonna throw in a little tourmaline just for protection. And boom, there you go. You got the recipe for switching that life, getting those vibes right. You know, every day is awesome. You want some of the vibes? We're sharing them. I'm light today.
So Cesar, what'd you think of LA Vegan?
Oh man, get the tropical pancakes.
Yeah, for sure.
Fire. It was really good. I wish there was one near my house. A lot of good options. You can get tacos, pancakes, all the good, you know, like noodles.
French fries. Healthy salad.
Healthy salad, protein salad.
Where are we going now?
call it a night. You know, one spot's good. No, we're going to Sun Cafe. We're going to Sun Cafe and then some other spots.
Let's go.
What's up? We got the March menu right here. We got the potato croquettes, the earth polenta, the asparagus tartine, and the buffalo cauliflower pizza. And guess what? We're eating it all. This is the polenta with cauliflower. Check that out. Woo! We're about to eat that. Battle of the pizzas. Cauliflower pizzas. So asparagus mushroom tartine, straight fire. 2 bites. Come get yours, this is mine. Look who it is, it's Max. Animal. Hey. Vegan for animals.
What's up, buddy? I didn't recognize you with the hair. Well, vegan.
What do you think of this?
What is that?
Just hold on to that for a little bit. Give it a little twirl if you want. Oh, of its own kind, yes. It's a magnet for impurities in water, and you and I, my friend, are made up of 70% plus water, right?
That's right.
So as soon as you touch it, it's already doing that. Now let's think blank white canvas. Blank white canvas. With that, if you take some deep breaths, as I asked my friend to do, have a positive intention, something you're grateful for, and on that third deep breath out, put it into the coin, we fine-tune your vibration with that and that with you, because it's a dance, right? Vibration to vibration. I don't know if you've ever heard of Dr. Emoto.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's out there. Set it forward, my friend.
Yes, peace.
All good things.
Yes, that's awesome.
Yeah, I love it.
That's how I feel when I come to Sun Cafe.
Yeah! Float
you.
like a feather, we fall forever. Let whatever be whatever, together we all become heavenly. Cause life's like fluid, flow right through it. Take what you get what you put into it. How about a hug? Yeah!
That's awesome.
I'll put that into it.
Peace, peace. That was awesome.
Sun Cafe never disappoints. Oh, there's a wishing tree. Check this out.
Oh man.
Make a wish.
Oh yeah, so making wishes out here. I wish for a more compassionate world. And what does that mean? A world that's vegan, because anytime you're eating any animal products, whether it's dairy or meat, you're not compassionate. So peace everybody. Think about it.
We're here with a couple people that I met up with. Some friends of Cesar, now friends of mine. Here is Ellen.
This is Ellen Dent. You may know her from Animal Alliance, president of Animal Alliance. Pig Vigils, Farmer John. We're also working with Jane and Chain, so I'll let Ellen Dent take over from here.
Yes. I'm the executive director of Animal Alliance Network, and we're a 501c3 nonprofit, and we hold pig vigils outside of Farmer John once a week on Wednesdays. So does LA Animal Save on Sundays. But we're all part of the Save movement, which is a worldwide movement of over 600 chapters. And just happy to be here today, trying this amazing vegan food that we just had, and go vegan. It's the way of the future.
What's up, guys? My name is Max. I'm from New Jersey. I just moved out to LA recently in October just for the vegan activism, and I've been here enjoying life. I met Cesar and Ellen, and they made me feel at home, like family. Love you guys.
So now we're at Cocoabella.
What's that behind you?
That's Doomy's, and that's Doomy's Next Mex. Monster? What? They got vegan ice cream here, right?
Of course.
They got puppy ice
Yeah,
cream.
let's give Monster some puppy ice cream.
No, it's vegetarian.
Mwah.
All right, viewers at home, call in right now and you can choose what flavor I eat right now. That's right, call in 1-800-ZOMBIE. Got vegan? All right, callers, this just in. We got your info and the choice is Sun Buttercup. We're gonna get a scoop of that.
let's tell the people at home again. What did you do with this shirt?
So I worked here a couple months ago, and I found a new job, and I held on to my old shirt. And a couple weekends ago, I went down to Skid Row and volunteered to give haircuts to the homeless. And I gave the homeless guy one of my shirts from Cocoabella, and he put it on, and I took a picture of it and sent it to my boss, and she's like, "How dare you?"
I'm just about to try my sun butter, aka Max's favorite. And look at these people. Look at, you got empty bowls, you know. Oh yeah, nothing to show.
Nothing to show.
What did you guys destroy?
I had mint chip in the sun butter cup, and it's a weird combo, but it's perfect.
Super tasty.
Perfect.
I got, what did I get? The mango sticky rice, and then the love you very much.
Love you
that's
very
what it's called.
And did you love it very much?
I did.
Very much.
And he was feeling sentimental.
Yeah.
I did chocolate gone wild. I did chocolate chip cookie dough, brownie, whipped cream, chocolate,
They went all out.
and it's all gone. It's all
Yeah.
oops.
Wish we could show you something, but there's, yeah. The bowls look nice.
The
look
bowls
amazing.
are beautiful.
designer
She's the non-vegan. What did you think about it?
I loved it. I actually understand why all of your friends are like, no, this is probably not vegan. But it's
But it
vegan! And it's so good!
So I assume you guys are vegan.
I am. He's
I am
not.
not, sadly.
And you guys are in a vegan spot, so alright.
And there you have it. Vegan.
So we got that sun butter because sometimes you just need some extra sunshine in your life, and it's been pretty cloudy out here in California. Always gotta smell it. It's just like a nice bright sunny day in my mouth right there. Oh yeah. Cocoabella guys, Cocoabella.
What do you guys think? Should I just like give my channel to Cesar?
It's an honor to be on the Vegan Zombies channel. Like I told you guys before, the first YouTuber, first vegan connection I had, when I first went vegan, YouTube, there it was, and it's a wrap.
Little tiny chairs. Say says, where are we now?
So I'm finishing up this Cocoabella. We're at the new location. We're pulling up the Sage right now, and we're gonna get some cauliflower and the cauliflower pizza because we're comparing them today. So, battle of the cauliflower.
One of my favorite foods is here at Sage. We're gonna go check that out.
We're out here at Echo Park now, and there will be yoga herb popping up down the street, so I'm pretty excited about that. So stay tuned. We're gonna keep it rolling. I'm full, so I hope you guys enjoy these videos because they're not easy to make. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say.
This is the banana fudge cake, raw cake. And this is the coconut chip ice cream with vanilla. And this one over here is the clean green with spirulina and chlorella. All raw vegan ice cream.
All right, we're gonna try to do this. It's really loud in here, but we have the 3 flavors of the cauliflower, not just buffalo, but also sweet and sour,
Barbecue.
and barbecue. And this is my favorite. And no matter where I go, I have to get this at Sage. I'm gonna go for a small piece because I'm so stuffed right now. This is the buffalo. Buffalo?
That looks like buffalo. Because from Buffalo, New York, it has nothing to do with buffalo, which I did not know for the longest time.
He didn't know it, and he didn't want to call it buffalo because he thought it was the animal. But it's Buffalo, New York.
If you came to the house, on the bottle, it was crossed out, the buffalo. It said like hot sauce on it.
Buffalo, New York. Okay, so that was a little bit spicy, delicious. I could eat the whole plate if I wasn't so full. I'm gonna go with the next flavor here.
That looks like the orange.
Orange? Here, why don't you try one? I'm trying this one.
Sweet and sour?
Sweet and sour with a little bit of the ranch.
So I'm gonna try the celery out, guys.
This is the best cauliflower. Barbecue.
Hold on. No, I thought I saw a pizza coming.
They're all really good, but I like the buffalo the best. And I don't normally like spicy, but it's just the right spice. Cesar, your turn. Ooh, look at that.
The buffalo is good.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Look at that.
How about pizza? Got the pesto, got the cauliflower, got a little bit of arugula in there. So
I'm done, I tap out.
So the moment when you're doing, you know, social media food eating, and that moment when you realize you just don't want to eat no more, yeah, it's not all fun and games. Serious business.
He's a professional.
And I'm to the point where I'm just full. So I'm not gonna eat the pizza today. Psych! It's not all glitz and glamour, guys, because I'm very full right now, but I hope you enjoy seeing us eat all this food in a row. I don't eat like this every day. Oh man, this is for you guys. I do it for the people. The ranch drizzle is definitely a nice touch on there. Really good.
All right, so it's important to know that we didn't stuff ourselves and eat every little bit. We're taking all of it home in to go. So we did it for you guys to see some of the food here at one of my other favorite places to go when I'm in LA. Leftovers.
Great.
Sage, right here. Sage. This guy's been here twice today.
I'm feeling it. Taking the day off tomorrow.
But we're fasting tomorrow. Fasting against slaughter, that means only water, to bring awareness to animal slaughter, because they travel for days with no water. I mean, their slaughter at the end of the day is terrible, terrible, and terrible. So we're trying to bring awareness.
Hey guys, I just fell asleep in the car, but Cesar he's still going. Thanks for doing another video here.
Yeah, that was awesome. You know, I could have kept went some more.
Delirious. Anyway, we'll see you next in a few days at Expo West. But thanks for watching. Give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.